Hey everyone, welcome back to Home Pantry Pro. I'm so excited to show you this cookware set. This is the KitchenAid Hard Anodized Ceramic 9-piece nonstick cookware set. 9 essential pieces, perfect for everyday cooking. The hard anodized aluminum gives strength and even heat distribution. The ceramic nonstick surface means less oil and super easy cleanup. Shatter-resistant glass lids let you keep an eye on your food. Comfortable handles make cooking safe and simple.
And yes, it's oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
Stylish, durable, and designed to fit your kitchen lifestyle.
If you love cooking made easy, hit subscribe for more reviews here on Home Pantry Pro.